This is an unknown world. It keeps expanding through our exploration. And we will never discover the entirety of her. There is an ancient city in the west of the Oriental continent, which had once influenced the world. Extraordinary and mysterious. We come into this desolate land along the ancient Silk Road. Maybe you have already known her from the history books, but you have no idea how to explain the unique feeling of this land. You have never stood on the city wall to see her beauty. Touch her with your own hands. Walk through her history. There's so much more beauty here that you will find yourself kneeling to Her Majesty. A journey connects you and Kashgar. Take the journey. You will discover the wonder of Kashgar. Breathe deeply the essence of this mysterious land.
多远喀什风情天堂，